Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm going to show you how to design a really beautiful Instagram feed using Canva. It's super simple, even if you've never done it before. And yeah, by the end, you'll have a feed that looks really professional. First, go ahead and log into your Canva account or create a new one if you don't have it yet. It's free and it's really easy to get started. Once you're in, search for Instagram post templates. Canva has thousands of options, so you can pick something that matches the vibe you want for your feed, whether it's minimalist, colorful, or really bold. Next, click on a template you like and start customizing. Change the text, swap images, adjust colors to match your brand or style. Basically, make it feel like, your own feed. Canva's drag and drop tools make this super easy. After customizing a few posts, think about how they'll look together in your feed. You can use Canva's grid view or just preview by arranging images to make sure everything looks balanced and cohesive. This is key to a beautiful feed. Finally, download your posts in high quality and upload them to Instagram. And there you go. You've got a feed that's visually appealing, consistent, and ready to impress your followers. And that's it. Designing a beautiful Instagram feed with Canva is really fun and pretty straightforward. If you found this helpful, go ahead and like the video, subscribe, and yeah, check out Canva for yourself.